This is stuffed salmon with shrimp and crab meat. I'm going to make stuffed salmon today, and it's going to be delicious. It's a great meal for your family. And it's not, when you come home from work, you can make it. It won't take too long. So I'm sweating out this spinach. Put some coconut oil in the bottom of the pot. I'm sweating out the spinach. When the spinach is cooked, you gotta make sure there is no water in it. You don't want liquid, or you don't want a lot of liquid running out. Added some old bay, some black pepper, and some Maggi chicken noodle. I'm sorry, some Maggi seasoning. Added some Maggi seasoning. I had some cream cheese in this bowl. Added the spinach to it. I'm gonna add some cut up shrimp and some crab meat to it. Follow along. I just want to fold the crab, the spinach, and the shrimp together. This is gonna be the filling. Once that's mixed up, I'm gonna start filling the gotta wash my hands. Gotta start filling the salmon with that filling. Before I do all that, I am going to put some seasoning on this salmon. This is Old Bay again. Put a little Old Bay on there. Any seasoning you like, I'm gonna put some of this Maggi. I love Maggi. Tastes good. Put some of that on there, not too much. And I don't add salt to this because this is already, the Maggi and the Old Bay already has salt in it. So you don't need to add any more salt. Wash my hands again. Then I got to put some black pepper. Add some black pepper. Now I'm gonna rub all of that in, and then I'm gonna cut the salmon, open the salmon, and I like the salmon with the skin on it. I don't bother with it. If I see the ones without skin, I don't bother with it. I like the skin. Skin hold everything together. Anyway, and it tastes better. Right? Here is put some holes in the salmon without cutting the ends. I just open it up. You understand? Just so the stuffing can go in. It's still frozen. I can feel it. So, yeah, I gotta leave it for a little bit. So I'm gonna stuff it and follow me with the next step. I'm covering the top of the salmon, stuff what I can, and the rest I put all over the top of the piece of salmon. When I can taste it already. So good, And it's a quick meal because salmon cooks very quickly. After I finish stuffing it, I put some whole shrimp on top, of it, and I squeeze some lime juice. You can't cook, seafood without incorporating some lime, So that's what I did. Oh, you could put this in a air fryer, the oven, or your toaster oven. Right now I'm going to put this in the toaster oven. And I'll see what temperature I'm going to put it on, maybe 354, 400 degrees, until it's cooked. So that time to mention, I put some butter in the pan. Butter and salmon work well together. Anyway, so I'm going to actually melt some butter and sprinkle it across the top when it's almost cooked. All right. I think it's ready. Pretty. Looks nice. Oh, my mouth is dripping. It smells good. Okay. So while the food is cooking, I'm looking through the window and I see this beautiful flowering tree. Man, the one thing about Georgia in the spring, they have the most beautiful trees. I don't see these in New York, because New York, city is New York City. And then there's the neighbor that has this magnolia, and it blooms like 3 times a year. Yeah, but I have no idea what that tree is. If you have any idea what that white flowering tree is, Could you let me know? There are lots of them around here. Man, and it's way over yonder, you know. It's way over in the bushes behind the house. Far, far away. And here's another neighbor with another beautiful flowering tree. Really pretty. God is good. Nature is pretty. Anyway, back to the food. Well, it's ready. You can hear it sizzling. I'm going to turn off the toaster oven and get ready to eat. You think they're ready? Oh, yeah. They're ready. Yeah, it's ready. See it? Is your mouth watering? Is your mouth watering? Okay, I'm going to take a piece. And it's cooked and it's not overcooked, I think. I taste that cream cheese. Yeah. Really good. Butter. Shrimp. It's good. It's seasoning well, took inside of the shrimp. And if you remember, it was still frozen inside. The salmon was still frozen. But as you can see, it's well cooked. Well cooked inside the salmon. Want some? Sorry. You're not gonna get it. This is a quick meal that you can try. And for this, you could also put cheese on top for the kids. For some of them, my grandkids love cheese, so you could sprinkle some cheese on top if you want. For me, I'm gonna just have it with some broccoli florets. Thanks for watching.